Hey friends, if you wish to fix system idle process high CPU usage on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is to disable the startup programs. So how would you do that? First of all, search for Task Manager and open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you will find a list of programs. Now click on status twice or once to make sure that all the enabled programs are on the top. Find the ones which are not required, for example Microsoft Teams. Right click and disable all of those which are not required for you by you at that point of time. Okay, so we can disable them. The next solution is to update the drivers in Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on advanced options. Select optional updates and install all the optional updates. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. The last solution is a malware scan. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and click on MRT to open the malware removal tool. Click on next, select full scan, click on next and let it scan through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.